Right then, another nice wee church here called St. Michael's in a place called Owermoigne. It's quite dark in here. Closed front door. Owermoigne. St. Michael's Church, right? That's what it's called. That one. That's another wee small church. Cool. So we've got something removed here. Probably a load of seats. Probably be doing something there. Right. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Don't know what it is. Right, it's okay. It's very dark. Whoop! It's very dark up here. Visitors to the tower. Tower vacant. Can you go up to the tower? No. It's a key. Right now, what's this? That's probably the bell ropes. Do you think? Oh, here we are. There's the Mother's Union. Right, you can see it's just a small church, not immersive or anything. And on a small church, they've got walking on the planks here. Whoop. They've got a small organ, lovely, compact. Probably beats out a good sound. Right, here we have the baptismal font. And the writing on it there, can you read it? Let's see if I can read it. This font cover was hindily made and donated by Brian Morgan, carpenter, 2002. Right, what we got here? Dear visitor. Somebody died in 1945. And there's the men of the Great War from the village and surrounding villages. Cool. Right, and just on the other side, we've got another memory. This is the rectors of the church from 1333 to 1982. Some more rectors over there. Oh, a lovely picture up there. I'll see if I can get a picture of that in a minute. Right. Nice floor tiles. Very nice. Automatic lighting came on when I came in. There we go. Look at that. Nice birdie. Nice. It's a nice face on him. Is he chipped? No, he looks like he's got his beak intact. That's cool. What's up here? Adrian Victor Cree, 2nd Lieutenant, 10th Battalion, Royal Welsh Fusiliers, 3rd son of the late George J. Cree of Owermoigne and of Mary, his wife, killed in action near Ypres, February 17th, 1916, aged 32. God rest his soul. There's the Reverend John Ree here. He looks like a stern man, doesn't he? Cool. Right. Coming from the nave up until the altar area. Look at that, it's beautiful up here. Steps. It's very sparse of things on the wall, which is fine. Let's look at the stained glass windows are beautiful. Writing on it. I'll take a picture. to that in a minute. Beautiful. Okay. See what it says. This window, can you read it? This window was erected to the glory of God and the affectionate remembrance of John Cree and Anne Cree, his wife, also of Ellen Rachel Cree, and Sarah Cree, John Robert Cree, and James Cree, children of the above by Georgiana, stone sole surviving child of John Cree. Look at that, it's beautiful. There's actually writing between the panes. And that's looking back up the church.